Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Tenga Egg Wavy. So let's get started. So this is the Tenga Egg Wavy itself. Now these Tenga eggs are one-time use only and perfect for beginners, and thanks to its compact size it's perfect for travel as well. Let's take a look at the egg in a bit more detail. Simply remove the outer casing like so, and open up to reveal the egg inside. Make sure to remove the small cylinder from inside. Inside this is a small sachet of water-based lubricant. Soft, smooth and silky, simply pop this into the egg for a fantastic experience. The egg itself is soft and smooth to the touch and made of a silicone material, so it's very comfortable to wear. It's also stretchy and flexible for the perfect fit. Now each Tenga egg has a different stimulating texture. If we look at the Tenga Egg Wavy, we can see we have beautiful wavy ridges all the way around for a stimulating effect. And that is the Tenga Egg Wavy. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.